Okay, once you create your Shopify account, it will take you to a page like this. This is the Shopify dashboard. You can manage the entire store from here. Next, we need to get the latest version of Debutify theme. So, click on the second link, which is given in the video description. The link will take you to this page. Here, click on this Start Free Trial button. Debutify theme offers a free plan, which is good enough for people who are just starting out. To get that, you need to create an account here. Simply enter your name and email along with a strong password. Now, Debutify will send a verification link into your email. You only need to open your email and then click on this Verify Email button. This will take you to your Debutify account, where you only need to follow this step-by-step process to install your theme on your store. Since we've already created our account, the next step for us is to connect our Shopify store with Debutify. So click on this Connect Store button. Now you need to enter your store URL here. To get the store URL, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on this eye icon beside the Online Store option. This will open your store, from where you can copy the store URL. Then simply paste it here and click on Verify. Now click on this Connect and Get Theme button. Next, click on this Download button to install the Debutify theme. Here, select the Fresh Install option and then Confirm. And just like this, the theme will be installed on your computer. The next step is to upload this theme on your Shopify store. To do that, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on the Online Store option. Here, click on this Add Theme option and then select the zip file option. Here, you need to add the theme you just installed from Debutify and then click on this Upload button. Now it will take some moments to install the theme on the store, and once it's done, click on this Publish button to set it as a default theme on your store. Now, if you go back to our current store and then refresh it, you'll see that the Debutify theme layout is fully active here. And now, we only need to customize this page as per our need. So, let's go back to our store dashboard now. And before starting the store customization, it's recommended that you add all your products beforehand. That way, you won't face any distractions while working on your store design. So, click on Products on the left menu and then click on Add Product. Here, you need to enter your product title. Next, enter your description here. And then under Media, click on this Upload button to add your product images. By the way, Shopify has an AI feature that can turn your simple product images into professional studio quality photos. You can remove your image background, add new colors into it, and even create a professional background with the help of AI prompt. I've created a separate video on that, and I will leave the video link in the description so that you can follow it to create high-quality images. Alright, once the images are uploaded, make sure to set your best image as your primary image. Next, you need to add your product prices here. Next, you need to enter your inventory info here. And then, there are some other information like shipping and variants that you can fill yourself. And once you're done, click on this Save button to save all your changes. And just like this, you can add more products into your store. Alternatively, if you have a huge list of product, or if you want to import it from some other websites, then you can use this bulk import option. You only need to upload your product CSV file here and then confirm. And within a few seconds, all your products will be added to your store. Alright, the next step for us is to create product collections. So go to this collection option on the left and click on Create Collections. Here, you can give names to your collections. For example, I want to create a collection for my newly added products. So I will name it New Arrivals and then hit the Save button. Next, go to the Products section and then select your products that you want to add in this collection. You can follow this same process to create more collections. You can create collections for bestsellers, seasonal products, and much more.